For acoustic tracks, I tested out May It Be by Enya. The clarity is stunning. Every note of the vocals and instruments came through clean and natural. I also tried bass-heavy tracks like Time by Pink Floyd. The bass is tight and punchy, even at high volumes. It doesn't distort or overpower the mids. For gaming, you can hear every little detail. Footsteps, explosions, and ambient sounds are all crystal clear. It's a huge upgrade over standard desktop speakers. So guys, let's go and do a quick sound test now so you can actually experience the sound as well. Well, the MR3 can get loud without losing clarity or balance. I didn't even need to push them past 70%, and they easily filled my office with rich, immersive sound.